Welcome to OTN Cloud DC. I'm your host, Javed Mohammed, Cloud Community Manager, and we're honored today to have Mike Lawson with us, Principal Sales Consultant.
Thank you, Javed.
Welcome on board, Mike. So today you're going to be talking about the Oracle Application Container Cloud Service. Perhaps you could give us a quick 2-minute encapsulation of what that's about.
So I'll be talking about, of course, our Application Container Cloud Service. And this is a service that is geared for software developers who may be developing applications that aren't full-up Java Enterprise Edition applications. So maybe they're using standard edition Java, maybe they want to use Tomcat to expose that to the internet. Or maybe they're writing Node.js applications using a whole bunch of different libraries from Node. This will allow them to take their applications, let them do what they do to succeed, and it allows them to run it on our cloud.
Okay, so just stepping back a little bit, what is the bigger problem that we're solving by providing a service like this?
So if you were to go out and look at some of our competitors, to some other cloud offerings, what you would see is that a lot of them offer services that are very bare metal, almost virtual machine type of thing. So they get their cloud instance, they're in charge of setting up the operating system, they're in charge of installing their infrastructure, they're in charge of installing the language of support and their application. With Application Container Service, we take care of all that for them. We give them a running instance, we already have Java installed in it, nodes in it, they just bring their application to us and we run it for them.
So basically it's like a fully managed system that takes care of all the maintenance and those kind of issues.
Exactly.
Great.
So.
And just kind of, if you just kind of look at the bigger picture, what are some of the challenges taking place? I think you touched upon some of those before, but in moving from a virtual machine to a container, what's the kind of the benefit of migrating to a service like that?
So our service, as I mentioned, we allow them to build their application any way they want to. We don't force them into any type of development pattern or anything. All they do is give us an archive of their application, and we'll run it for them. If they need to scale up, if they decide that they need to meet more demand, it's a click of a button. Sure. If they need to bring it down, it's a click of the button. If they need to add more RAM, it's all built into the system. They don't have to worry about managing those type of things themselves.
And I think in a prior conversation, you had also mentioned that the whole world is moving to containers, just because I assume it's a lot more efficient than running on virtual machines. Is that correct?
Exactly. So in ACC we're using Docker containers, and as most everybody knows, Docker containers are taking over the world. It's just because they're so easy to use, so easy to configure. And they're so lightweight, you can run thousands of Docker containers on the same hardware as you would be able to run tens or maybe 100 VMs on that same exact hardware, which allows us to offer a rapid and fast and affordable offering where people can indeed do their scaling as they need to be able to meet their customers' demands.
So to kind of summarize what you're saying there, with containers, cloud service, is ease of use and efficiency.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you.